pizza. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make the pizza without oven. It's so difficult, but there is some technique. I will show you one by one. If you like to know how I am going to make it, if then please keep watching. Beginning. So I have a 300 milligrams bread flour, 2 tablespoons yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 3/4 tablespoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 300 ml warm water. That's all our ingredients. So I'm going to add our yeast. Mix properly. Second, I'm going to add salt. Third, I'm going to add sugar. Alright, keep aside. Beginning, I add our garlic powder. Mix properly. Now add all the warm water. Mix with yeast. Very simple, see? Nothing to worry, not hard time to mixing. Just mix 3 to 4 minutes. Look at this. Now I think I have to get the little bit big spoons. Okay guys. Just like this. It's not difficult to make pizza. There is some techniques. We have to use those techniques. Now we can start the kneading. Just like that. Continuously, like 4 to 5 minutes. Good enough time. Alright guys. Now I'm going to transfer to another pot and keep it 2 hours. It's 2 hours, not long time. It need maximize 2 hours. Small, yes, better also. Okay guys. Now close and keep aside. So after 2 hours, we come back. Put a little bit flour to our table. Right. Now time to remove this. Alright. Now add some more flour. Alright guys, a little bit sticky. Add some more flour, like that. Both the hand use. It's very easy for that. Our pizza dough almost 11 to 12 inches. Hopefully. Look at this, beautiful. Now guys, I'm going to transfer it to our fan. Just like that. What a looking. Look at this. Now I'm going to add other ingredients. Okay, this is our main ingredient. We have a pizza sauce. We have a mozzarella cheese, also bell pepper, red and green. Also we have a green olives. Okay, this is our main ingredient, guys. Now I'm going to add some more. So everything here Now I'm going to add mozzarella cheese. Right. Now add bell pepper, red, green. Look at beautiful, guys. Colorful. Now add olive, green olive. Looking okay. Our mozzarella cheese. Wow. Nice. This is our techniques. You must use underneath like this pipeline. Then after make high heat. Yes, I can feel very heat. Now you can put your pizza and then low flame like that. After that you can close. So keep it exactly 15 minutes. Alright, now almost 70 minutes. Try to open. Hot. Okay. Smell, very good smell. But guys, I need to like a crunchy portions. So I have a different plan. Let's start. Okay guys, now I'm going to taste our pizza and later I'll let you know how was the taste of our Alright, time to taste. Beautiful pizza. Right guys, I'm going to take my taste. Before I taste, I'll get some more wine. Some wine. Cheers. Okay guys, my first bite. I'm going to take big bite. Look at this, what a crunchy. Both the side crunchy. Oh man, that tastes so awesome. Full of flavor. But middle portion, look at the very little shop, full of flavor. What a taste. Can't imagine. Oh man. All around super savory. You see milky, juicy tomatoes, minimal bright flavors are there. Very very taste. Also, what I smell, same as you are buying from restaurant, class restaurant, smells and taste almost same. There's nothing different. Wow. Oh, nice guy. Very, very taste. Easy to make, but times the problem. Beginning I told you, 2 hours we have to keep it our job. That is the main. Because we can put the less, like 30 minutes, 1 hour. I have experiment, I do that. But not like a hot cake. You put the more hours. Okay. But this 2 hours is good enough. I hope any restaurant also doing 2 hours. So guys, now you know how to make pizza at your home. Don't have to, you can try, no? Simple. Very, very simple. Alright guys, thanks for watching my videos. I will bring to you another amazing recipe next my video. Bye bye.